So this video is about how to upload large files to your WordPress site. So as you can see currently, the maximum upload file size is 128 megabytes. I need to increase it to 1 gigabyte. So first off, we download the plugin, download the big file upload. I've already downloaded it, installed. So just activate right now. Once activated, you just go to the settings. And on the right hand side, you see where all users maximum upload size. You can just change it. You can pick megabyte or gigabyte depending on your preference. For now, let me just put 1 gigabyte and save. And that's it. So if you go back to the media and refresh, yeah, there you have it, 1 gigabyte. So you can now upload up to 1 gigabyte.